So I'm going to talk about the difference between using a Google Advanced Search with a phrase versus a random string of words. So I've got my topic, Sinking of the Titanic. I'm doing a regular Google search for that. And I see all of the hits that come up that Google believes is relevant to what I'm actually looking for, which is information on the sinking of the Titanic. I want you to pay attention to how many hits or how many results I've got, just over 10 million. If I come into settings and I go to advanced search, what I'm going to notice first is that Google is going to find my interest, which is sinking of the Titanic, but it's not necessarily going to link these words together. And that's actually what I want. So say, for example, that I want all of the websites that pop up that they should contain the phrase sinking of the Titanic. So I don't want this phrase or these words separated. So I'm going to just highlight this. I'm going to copy it, delete that, and now I'm going to put this exact word or phrase, I'm going to put it right here instead. And I want you to see what happens. So I took those words from all of these words and then I put them here in the box right below it called this exact word or phrase. Now I do my Google search and I've got 1 million hits. Now, even though it's still a lot, Google got rid of over 9 million websites that do not contain the phrase sinking of the Titanic. Because I told Google, bring me back websites that contain this as a phrase. And we know that's the case because Google automatically put quotation marks around the words I asked it to. That's a really quick way of noticing if Google is looking for the phrase or just those words in the results it brings back to you. So wanted to point that out. It's a really great way to target even closer results that you might want in your Google search.